Welcome to Sin Business as usual with me, Cynthia. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends as well. This is the month of love and we are all thinking of all sorts of surprises that you want and how much you want to spend. Now, this Valentine's Day, why don't you just plan a special meal in your own house? For your romantic night in, set the mood with the fancy centerpiece. Valentine's Day is the perfect reason to spoil your sweetheart, but this season doesn't have to mean overextending your budget. There are several ways to show you care, and preparing a special meal at home is one of them. You'll get a chance to enjoy a romantic night in, indulge in some of your favorite foods, and enjoy some quality time together without too much expenditure for the day. Here are some ways to prepare a special Valentine's Day meal at home on any budget. Make dinner preparation an event. Cooking together can be a fun and romantic way to go into the evening and enjoying each other's company. Crack open a bottle of wine before getting started with preparations for your special meal for two. If you both have the day off, consider heading to the grocery store or wine store to get a few stuff that you might need for the day together. This can be another excuse to spend more time together, and it will give you a chance to create a custom meal you'll both enjoy later that day. Set the mood. Whether it's lighting the dining room only with candles or putting together a beautiful centerpiece made with hand-picked flowers, set the mood with creative decorations. You can visit your favorite art store for inspiration on centerpieces for the dining table. You could also pick up some small decorations and candles to transform the dining area for that special dinner. Create the perfect ambient. Tune into an offline or online radio station that plays romantic tunes to create the perfect ambience. Start with appetizers. Make an event out of Valentine's Day dinner at home by serving up several courses for the night. Get things started with an assortment of delicious appetizers that are easy to prepare and won't cost a fortune in ingredients. Relax with wine or juice. Grab a bottle of your favorite wine or juice and settle in for some delicious comfort food that you may have prepared earlier. Don't forget dessert. Even a small tray of cookies can be enough to satisfy the sweet tooth. Do a chocolate sampling together or enjoy some sweet treats with red wine for a special treat. Cozy up with memories. Make it even more of a memorable evening by putting together a sentimental gift. You could create a collage of photos of when the two of you met, share a video of a memorable date, or write a poem or letter to your sweetheart to read to him or her after dinner. Turn off the television and smartphone so you can truly enjoy some quality time on that special day and make the most of your dinner. Preparing a special Valentine's Day meal at home could be just what you need to romance your sweetheart without overspending this month. Use some of these ideas to make for a memorable evening. Hope you've learned something from this video for this special month of love. Don't forget to subscribe and continue sharing my videos with your friends as well. Happy Valentine's to you all.